The inspiration for the Carlsbad essentially comes down to this idea of balance. We wanted to build something that was going to give the adventure rider everything that he needed, but at the same time we wanted to strip away all of the non-essential elements.
And when we look at what's most important for us for this particular piece was looking at the balance of weight and function, or weight and strength. We're trying to make it so we can make a product that gives you what you need from a protection standpoint, but doesn't inhibit your ability to move. Your mobility on the bike is key. What makes carbonate ripstop so impressive is its weight to strength ratio. We have a fabric that's much lighter, but yet still has the durability that's required for adventure use.
The next thing we approached was venting.
You know, it's really about trial and error. And what we do is we try to look at the different ways you use this particular garment. In this case, you know, if you're in a sitting position, the best way you can mine the air is a cuff opening. However, a lot of times you're in an aggressive position, you're creating a lot more heat. That's the point when you need more airflow. And so what this jacket allows you to do is have a very long forearm zipper, and it's at the angle where it grabs the most amount of air possible. And then what's next important with that is the airflow. How do you map the flow through the jacket? And so by putting outlet zippers low and on the mid-back, you're able to get the most movement up and over the arms and create the most airflow with the least amount of bulk. And at the same time, you have two zippers that are right on the chest, so if you need to cool your core, you can open all 6 vents.
The most important element in the Carlsbad is protection. And this is really where our partners come into play. With Gore-Tex for weather protection, D3O for impact, 3M for visibility, and combining those with our abrasion-resistant materials and rhino stitch process, it's these things in the right balance that truly make the Carlsbad a pinnacle climb adventure piece.
We've chosen Gore-Tex, 2-layered Gore-Tex, where the membrane, the EPTFE, is actually bonded directly to the nylon shell. This gives you the greatest amount of durability and the least chance of conductive heat loss. This allows you to stay comfortable in as many environments as possible. What's important about the armor is not only the armor you choose, but how you keep it in the right place. You're going to notice the straps on the arm are very key and important to keep that armor in the right spot. The pads and the way we do that on the inside. But the key is this is the best level 1 armor we can find for the weight and for the thickness that D3O has brought to the table.
The right balance of weight, ventilation, and protection. The Carlsbad truly is essential ADV, built with the quality you expect from Klim.